Yo! What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. You're watching me, EMKWAN, here on EMKWAN Reviews. Peace and blessings to you all out there. Right, today's video, there's no unboxing, there's no review. It's a vlog, and today's vlog is super special because right now I'm on my way to Dubai for a photo shoot. Not just with any magazine, it's with Esquire Magazine Middle East. So first of all, come with me, let's get to Dubai and I'll explain everything when I get there. Let's go. So I got here. I'm here at the ITP offices. I have no idea what to expect. And I'm here with Gucci Gang. Yay! This is Sada here from ITP. Esquire. Oh, you want to get the vlog as well?
Okay. I don't want to be in the vlog.
I'm sure these guys are probably used to it anyway. But there's a shoot for the March edition. And it's
influencer issue.
Influencer issue. So that should be interesting. So this is Danny. Hello, a fellow Brit. Danny, are you organizing the entire shoot?
I am.
So, okay.
It's been a busy week.
I've just been told to get into either a shirt or a t-shirt. We'll see what looks better. And we're just taking some shots as well. And some questions as well, right?
A couple of questions afterwards.
Awesome, cool. Okay, so that's me in this shirt over here. What do you think? It's not bad. It's not the kind of color that I would normally wear, but that looks okay. Apparently they want kind of nudish colors, plain colors, so yeah, let's go, let's do this. And this, guys, is the room where they're doing the shoot. It's funny because, you know, you always see it on videos and stuff, but this is it. It's kind of like a curved wall and there are no edges. It just goes all the way down, and I suppose that's what gives it the effect. I should take some selfies here as well, right?
Do you like superhero?
Superhero. By the way, this is Tom here from Esquire.
How are we doing?
Very well. How are you?
Where do you look? Where do you look on this? Because I'm tempted to look at the screen.
I know, but that's the trick apparently. Apparently you look down there because that's how you connect with people.
But then how do you make sure you're looking really good?
Just take a quick glance, you know, just like a...
How's the shoot going?
It's going really well.
Yeah?
Going really well. Very happy these guys are taking care of me. And I've got two minders here as well who are telling me exactly what to do.
What's up?
What's up? And here's a cameraman.
What's up?
Check that out, guys. I think these guys have made me look good. What do you think? Comment down below. I might have to use that as my profile pic.
Filming time now.
Yeah. Right, we're gonna do the interview part now with Tom.
That's a pretty easy question.
Very easy.
What do you think makes you stand out? Who influences you? Who is your style icon? Which we ask kind of everyone.
Okay.
Your biggest social media platform, YouTube.
Yeah.
So then I'd say, what about that? Why does that work for you? And then the last one is kind of what's next, 2018.
Okay, cool. All right, so that's all done. Now I'm back in my familiar clothing with familiar colors. I'm not really keen on some of those light colors, but that's all done. We've done the interview, we've done the photo shoot. So yeah. OMG, guys, I've just got back from Dubai, absolutely shattered. It is now 9:15. I think that took me almost 2 hours, but it didn't take that long. It was only actually half an hour, 45 minutes or so, but then I stayed behind, caught up with some guys at ITP. Really, really cool what they're doing at the moment, and you know what, I'm really excited to share with you exactly what's happening with this photo shoot. So very quickly, because I really didn't explain it in the video, Esquire Magazine Middle East is doing a focus for the month of March on influencers, and I think they've managed to have some sort of international influencers, people like Casey Neistat and Gary and it's really cool because when Casey was here last in Dubai, I think he even posted a vlog about this. He showed that photo shoot out in the desert with, I think it was a, what was it? A Maserati that was stuck in the sand. It's pretty epic. If I can find the video, then I'll post a tag somewhere on the line, somewhere on the side, sorry. And also, they wanted to do a focus on local influencers and content creators, and they were kind enough to include me in that list. So I believe there might be about 17 or 18, myself included. It's going to be really interesting to see how that turned out. Because there were some interviews and obviously some photos as well. And that's it. I mean, I'm really excited to see what happens. It's going to be interesting to see. That edition will go out next month, so that's in March. And as always, I will share that with you guys as well. But right now, guys, this is a mess that is up on my desk at the moment. I don't even know what to say, man. It's just like, I think I was trying to charge up a BlackBerry Key 1, and then, oh, there is this as well. I finally pulled out my 3D camera, and one of the videos that I want to try and experiment with this week is probably not an apartment tour, but like kind of where I live tour in 360. I still need to mess around with this and make sure the settings are correct and it shows up properly on YouTube, because it's been probably a year and a half since I last did a 360 video. So if you want to see that video, then leave a comment down below. Let me know if that's a video that you'd like to see. Also, you might have kind of figured out that this is almost like a vlog that I will post up on the other channel, here on this channel. I've said this before and I'll say it again. I'm trying to experiment with creating content which is different and different for this particular channel. So for that reason, I'm posting this up here, and I want to know what you guys think. If you want to see more of it, then again, leave a comment down below. And if you really enjoyed this video, smash that like button. And if you're new here, subscribe as well. Right, that's it from me for now. Over and out. I will see you in the next video. I'm EMKWAN. You've been watching me here at EMKWAN Reviews. Peace and blessings.